Let's now understand how web forms work by exploring a few demos. In this demo, we're going to create a website. We'll do this by creating a new project in Visual Studio. We'll then examine the structure of the project in the Solution Explorer and then view a page. I have Visual Studio open and I want to create a new website using Web Forms technology. To do this, I will click on File, New, Project. This opens the New Project dialog, and notice in the navigation tree to the left, I'm under Templates, Visual C#, and Web is selected. I do want to create an ASP.NET Web application, and I will change the name below to Demo Web Forms. And I'll leave the location and solution items the same. Click OK. And now I am prompted, what type of project do I want to create? I want to use web forms. However, do note that down below, I could include features such as MVC or Web API in this project if I wanted to, thus having a mixture of these technologies supported in one project. However, I will leave it just as it is, just using web forms. And again, click OK. The project is now loaded, and there are many files and folders that are included in the template. However, I'm going to highlight some of the key files that are related to web forms technologies. You'll first notice that there are files with the .aspx extension. These are the pages that are going to be requested by the user in the browser. Let's take a look at the About page. It takes me to the design view for this page. I can see that my Design tab is highlighted down below. In the source of this page is the HTML markup. Notice there's very little content here because this page utilizes a master page, which I'll show in just a moment. It's related to that master page with the master page file attribute at the top, indicating that it's using the site.master. And another key factor involves what this page inherits. This page inherits demo web forms.about. Demo web forms being a namespace and about being the name of a class or a type that is in this project. I'm going to expand about.aspx and look at the .cs file. The namespace is demo web forms. About inherits page. In other words, the code that we write here is going to be executed when this page is requested. I'll now return to the design view of this page. This is a key feature for ASP.NET Web Forms, the use of a designer to have somewhat of a what you see is what you get. All the surrounding text around this main content section comes from the site.master file. Site.master allows for repeatable content to be displayed across multiple pages. However, the true spirit of theming, look and feel is really managed in this application from the CSS files that are found in the content folder. And this template is using Bootstrap. Another key file is the global.asax file. This allows developers to tap into the HTTP pipeline before the page is requested or processed and afterwards, as well as a number of things regarding authorization, authentication, session state management, and so forth. Returning to the About page, let's now view it in the browser by clicking Debug, Start Debugging. And we have successfully viewed the About page.